And this one will go.
Those are ripe. Yep.
Yes. Let me run over next door and get my.
Another pair?
No,
okay.
my ladder.
Oh yeah, you gotta get your step ladder. Because
Right.
some of them are a little bit higher up.
Or walk around and
Yeah,
variety of pods.
Yep, yeah, you got quite a variety here.
Yeah.
That's my buddy Chris, and you've seen him before on the channel, and he's got different varieties of cacao trees, and we're going to harvest them. Look at these. These look ready, right? And how you can tell they're ready is by scratching them. See that? There's no green. See this one? It's not quite ready, or it's quite far from being ready. You can see that green on there.
Well, these are all side shoots. Here was the main stem.
Yeah.
And they grow out of that.
Because it all got burnt down.
Right.
By the lava. The lava started a wildfire.
Right. This was all black. You could see houses a half-mile away in each direction because there was no
concealment.
Right. But then the junk trees were the first ones to come back. Yeah, you can pick.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab all these.
All those and get this one up here and the one up over your head.
Yep.
And I'll be right back.
Okay, cool. Sounds good. Oh yeah, there's a couple up there. Just need the ladder.
Yeah. Lean it back. And throw that out as far as it'll go.
Oh shit, I forgot.
Catapult over the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Nope.
Now, have you been getting any sprouted seeds from me?
Not really.
Sprouted. Okay. That's good to hear.
Yeah.
Because I haven't aired on them. Those aren't ready yet. Okay, that's it.
Yeah, and this batch, this 30 or so right here on this tree that's still left, will probably take about a month or so until they're ready. So see the dried up ones right here. I don't know if you can see that. You don't want them. They're just junk. These look like they're about to fully grow, but this one you can tell it's kind of moldy and junk. And these are like where the flowers come from. Let's see if we can find a flower. It might have stopped flowering, but yeah, these kind of get these off. You don't have to, but it's kind of nice, you know, makes the tree look better. Yeah. Okay, there's the flower right there. There's a flower. Oh, here's another flower. Yeah. So it's still flowering, and cacao produces pretty much year-round. There's 2 major harvests a year, but it pretty much just fruits year-round. It's an amazing, amazing food.
Oh, we have one down here.
Oh, I see it.
Cacao. These were all planted about a year ago.
And they're producing.
Yeah.
So about a year later.
Right. Well, they were in the pots for 18 months.
Okay, so almost 3 years old.
Yeah.
Right, and they're producing.
Yeah, by June they'll be 3 years old.
So in June, yeah, that's looking healthy.
Yeah.
This one might be ready. another week.
Yeah, ready.
Yep. And what variety is this?
This is that new variety that I
The
got from,
Hershey's variety?
No, from Cacao.
Okay, Cacao.
I think I'm going to fertilize them a little bit this year.
Okay.
You know, like a cup full of bioflora and lime.
Okay, so this one is ready, but you can tell that it turns yellow, right?
Well, it starts out.
Yeah, it starts out red,
Yes.
then turns green, and then eventually will turn yellow when it's ready. Here's the finished harvest. It's a pretty good harvest. I'd say probably about maybe 80 to 100 pods. It's looking good. Oh yeah. Let's open one of these up and see what's inside. Well, there you go. You got the cacao beans. This is what chocolate is made of. And it has a kind of a pulp around the bean. Tastes like a lime Jolly Rancher. Good. This is really good. Now, I've done videos on this before, you know, how to make chocolate and stuff. This is just a harvest video. And yes, you can shake the pod, and if you hear, you know, something rattling inside, that means it's ripe. But the best way is just to scratch the skin, and if there's not really any green under there, then it's ripe and you can take it off the tree. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I've got cacao beans. It's literally like a lime Jolly Rancher. Take care. Hope you enjoy. I love you all.